How to change your Facebook password. First, open Facebook. Tap on the three lines in order to access the menu. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. You'll have to go to the Account Center. Tap on this option Account Center. Now you can access the Account Center over here. Tap on the option Password and Security. Now tap on this option Change Password. Tap on the account where you want to make the changes. Now you'll be able to change the password. Enter the current password and enter the new password over here. Tap on the field of current password. Enter the current password. Likewise, tap on the field of new password. Now enter the new password over here. Make sure to meet the requirements of the password. It must contain at least 6 characters. It should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. If you want to log out of other devices after changing the password, check on this box. Now tap on this option Change Password that you can see on the screen. Now enter the confirmation code sent to your Gmail. Open the Gmail and open the email of the Facebook. Over here you can find the confirmation code. Long press on it. Tap on the option Copy. Go back to the Facebook app. Tap on the field of confirmation code. Enter the code. Now tap on the option Next that you can see on the screen. Now your password will be changed. Like this, you'll be able to change your Facebook password. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.